When it comes to me picking up other equipment, doing a recovery situation, I always hope that when I open the door and get inside, it looks something different than what this one looked like. But you know what? Sometimes it is what it is, and you just got to roll up your sleeves and lubricate them elbows and get going. You know what I'm saying? And you just go, make some progress, see the progress, give you the motivation to keep going a little bit more. Definitely not intending to shame anyone or anything like that with this. You know, there's a lot of things that happen to a guy, and we all know it's hard out on the road. Things can get away from you, all that kind of thing. And unfortunately, this is someone that doesn't work with us anymore. And I was in here looking around, and I could see that made sense. There's probably some things going on. But anyways, I got to get this back. And if I'm going to be driving it across the country, I'm going to want it a little cleaner. That's all the stuff that I pulled out of there. I'm going to have to get a little better stab at it tomorrow when I get some better cleaning supplies. But that's it for tonight. Now I got to get all that to the dumpster.